What's up, guys? You're watching News You Can Misuse, brought to you by News Bites. अगर आपने ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो करो। अभी सब्सक्राइब करोगे तो सबसे पहले वैक्सीन आपको मिलेगी, इसकी गारंटी मैं नहीं दे सकता। About 2000 theater screens will be permanently closed because of COVID-19. This is sad, yaar. Where will couples go now? Oyo rooms is 1,000 rupees. What will I do? I mean, what will they do? इसको कट कर भाई थोड़ा. The only good thing with theatre shutting down is that the average Indian family will now save 55,000 rupees annually. This is the money they spend buying theatre popcorn. Cheese caramel popcorn is 650 rupees. ये popcorn है या baby corn? And I don't know how they came up with this price of 650 rupees. I mean, making popcorn, I think the actual cost will be just 30 bucks. But theater owner was like, इसमें लाइट का बिल डाल, एसी का भी डाल दे, और मेरे बिजनेस लोन का EMI भी डाल दे. Time magazine recently declared Gitanjali Rao as the Kid of the Year 2020. She was recognized for her work against cyberbullying and water contamination. She's a genius, यार. She's a prodigy. But ये Kid of the Year थोड़ा ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया? Like अगर ऐसा चलता गया, soon we'll have Infant of the Year, Pregnant Lady of the Year, Sperm of the Year. There I don't mind competing. See, I feel bad about this Kid of the Year because I was never the Kid of the Year even in my own family. I was always runners up because my parents only had 2 kids. And with due respect to Gitanjali, I think the Kid of the Year 2020 should have been Wolf Gupta. Sorry, that's not Kid of the Year. That's Scam of the Year, right? I don't want to get banned. As per a report, work from home has made work days of Indians 32 minutes longer. Yes, you heard that right. 32 minutes longer. As per my own report, those 32 minutes are spent on, can you see me? Can you hear me? Some people will speak for 5 minutes, then they realize they're on mute. Then they unmute themselves and they're like, I'm so sorry, I didn't know I was on mute. Let me waste another 5 minutes of your life. See, Zoom call should have some best practices, which I want to share with my viewers. Like, the most important thing is don't take the Zoom call from your toilet. This is what I learned last week. I was taking it from the toilet. No, don't worry, my audio was off, my video was also off. That's what I thought. And then I flushed. They said it was a shitty Zoom call. And this work from home is a big menace for husbands. Like earlier husbands, Friday evenings, they were holding scotch. Now husbands hold Scotch Brite. Chinese scientists are now claiming that coronavirus may have originated in India or Bangladesh. मस्त माल फूक रहे ये लोग.
ड्रग दो मुझे ड्रग दो.
इसको भी चाइना ही भेज दो. Finally we will have world peace. And China started the virus, now they're blaming us. It's just like when you fart and you're like, इसने किया है. And why bring Bangladesh in all of this? Like, Bangladesh doesn't sound like a country which can produce such a deadly virus. वो लोग लेग स्पिन डालने में स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. ब्लेम करना है तो यूएस को ब्लेम करो. रिसेंटली यूएस से एक बहुत डेडली वायरस अभी निकला है. Apple has announced its most expensive headphones priced at rupees 59,900 rupees. यही जोक है. It's like we are afraid when we buy expensive clothes. अब म्यूजिक को भी डर लगेगा. Am I really worth this headphone? 60,000 for a headphone. You better be able to hear your own inner voice now. देखो भाई, पैंडमिक चल रहा है. आई एम श्योर एप्पल वॉज थिंकिंग व्हाट कैन वी डू सो दैट पीपल डोंट डाई बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना वायरस. दैट्स वाई दे हैव प्राइस दिस हेडफोन एट 60,000 रुपीज. अब लोग प्राइस सुनकर ही मर जाएंगे. फ्यू ऑफ यू आर लाइक नहीं 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 नहीं, प्राइस सुनकर एप्पल फैंस नहीं मरेंगे. गाइज प्लीज रिमेंबर, एप्पल फैंस की पहले से ही एक किडनी कम है. Alright, guys, before we wrap this up, a lot of couples have been fighting during this pandemic. What I want to share with you is never wake up your wife in the morning. If you do that, this will happen to you.